Welcome to a research word in 1 minute. Research word number 23, component. American pronunciation, component. Com-po-nent. Component. British pronunciation,
component, component,
meaning. Component means one part of many. Common usages in academic writing that you need to know are component parts, one component of, many components. Example sentences. Component, noun. The researchers have identified the substance's chemical components. Example sentence number 2. The computer component was tested before assembly. Please write a sentence using component in the comment section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use component confidently in your research. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!